Page 66. Activity 13.
Hello, children. It's story time. Listen to the story with me. Be kind.
Hello, friends. Welcome to my party. Sit down, please. Lunch is ready.
Thank you. It's tasty.
I love pasta.
Delicious. I don't like it. It's sweet. Oh dear, Queen of Hearts. I'm sorry. Do you like fish? Fish? Disgusting! I don't like fish. I like fish. Meow. Oh, I'm very sorry. Dear Queen, do you like chicken? Yes, I do. Yuck! I don't like this chicken. It's salty. Salty? Water! Water for the Queen!
Run, run. Help the Queen.
Quick! Water! Oh! Come here! Oh no!
The Queen is angry. Run!
Bambini, in questa storia ci sono i personaggi del libro di Alice nel Paese delle Meraviglie e Mr. Green ci dà un consiglio, ci suggerisce di essere gentili, be kind. In questa storia avete riascoltato le parole e le strutture già studiate e per ripetere di nuovo l'ascolto soprattutto, vi faccio vedere il video della storia.
Hello, friends. Welcome to my party. Sit down, please. Lunch is ready.
Thank you. It's tasty.
I love pasta.
Delicious. I don't like it. It's sweet. Oh dear, Queen of Hearts. I'm sorry. Do you like fish? Fish? Disgusting. I don't like fish. I like fish. Meow. Oh, I'm very sorry. Dear Queen, do you like chicken? Yes, I do. Yuck! I don't like this chicken. It's salty. Salty? Water! Water for the Queen!
Run, run. Help the Queen.
Quick! Water!
Come here! Oh no! The Queen is angry! Run!
E per concludere la unit numero 5, adesso ascolterete la pronuncia di tutte le parole che vedete a pagina 68 e dopo aver ascoltato e ripetuto più volte la pronuncia inserirete tutti i nomi dei frutti in una colonna e tutti i nomi delle verdure nell'altra colonna.
Page 68. Activity 1. Listen and point. Say.
1. Tomatoes. 2. Cherries. 3. Potatoes. 4. Strawberries. 5. Peas. 6. Cabbages. 7. Apricots. 8. Peppers. 9. Plums. 10. Grapes.
E adesso vi lascio.
I like fruit and vegetables.
Adesso vi lascio e ciao!